Welcome to Math Media. Today I am going to discuss exercise 8.3 question number 6 of chapter 8 comparing quantities class 8 mathematics. Let's move to the question. Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amounts he would be paying after 1.5 years. If the interest is compounded annually, second part compounded half yearly. The question is clear. Arif took a loan of 80,000 from a bank. Rate of interest is given as 10% per annum. We can find the difference between compounded interest calculated compounded annually and half yearly. Then what would be the difference? So as usual, what is given in the question, we can write it first. Here the time period is given 1.5 years. So in the case of interest compounded annually, first we can calculate the amount for 1 year using compound interest formula and the next half year by using simple interest formula. So first we can solve amount compounded annually. In this case, principal equal to rupees 80,000, time equal to 1.5 years. But here we are calculating for 1 year, so n equal to 1. Conversion period is 1 here. R equal to 10% per annum compounded annually. So the formula for compound amount equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100 whole raised to n. Substitute the value over here, we get 80,000 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 whole raised to 1. By cancelling 10 and 100 in the bracket, we get 80,000 into 1 plus 1 upon 10 whole raised to 1. By cancelling, we get from the bracket, we get 11 upon 10 raised to 1. That means 11 upon 10 only. So we can write 80,000 into 11 upon 10. 10 and 80,000 0 can be cancelled. We get 11 into 80 is 88. So the answer is 88,000. This is the compound amount for 1 year. We have to calculate for 1.5 year. So the half year we are calculating by using simple interest formula. Hence the principal will become rupees 88,000. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. T equal to 1 by 2 years. Do you remember the formula of simple interest? Yes, PRT upon 100. Substitute the value over here. We get 88,000 into 10 into 1, 1 upon 2. Whole divided by 100. By cancelling 100 and 88,000, we get 880 into 10 into 1 upon 2. Again we can cancel 880 by 2, we get 440 into 10. So the answer is rupees 4,400. This is the simple interest for half years. Hence the amount to be paid after 1.5 years equal to rupees 88,000 plus 4,400 equal to rupees 92,400. This is the amount to be paid if the interest is compounded annually. Next we can find if the interest is compounded half yearly, what amount he has to pay. So what is given in the question, we can write principal equal to 80,000, T equal to 1 integer 1 by 2, that is therefore n equal to 3 by 2. R equal to 10% per annum compounded half yearly. So the formula of compound amount is P into 1 plus R upon 200 raised to 2n. Substitute the value over here. Rupees 80,000 into 1 plus 10 upon 200 raised to 2 into 3 by 2. Here 2 and 2 can be cancelled. The power will become 3. And in the 10 upon 200, 10 can be cancelled in the numerator and denominator. We get 1 upon 20. So 80,000 into 1 plus 1 upon 20 whole cube. While solving 1 plus 1 upon 20, we get 21 upon 20 raised to 3. That is 80,000 into 21 upon 20 whole raised to 3 equal to 80,000 into 21 into 21 into 21 upon 20 into 20 into 20. The denominator become 8,000. So from the numerator 80,000 and 8,000 can be cancelled. We get 10 into 21 into 21 into 21, which gives rupees 92,610. So the compound amount to be paid after 1.5 years, if the interest is compounded half yearly, will be rupees 92,610. So our question is, find the difference in amount would be paying after 1.5 years if interest is compounded annually and half yearly. We separately found the interest compounded annually and half yearly. Now we can find the difference between these two amounts equal to rupees 92,610 minus 92,400, which gives rupees 210. So the difference in the amount is rupees 210. Thank you for watching the video. Like, subscribe and share.